Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Gizmobeep, and in this video we're going to take a look at the newly launched VIOFO A119M Pro. So this is the major upgrade to the previous model, the Mini 2, and this camera gets a lot of interesting features at a very interesting price. Well, starting off, the camera is trending at 14,000 rupees, but since you are a viewer of Gizmobeep, you get an exclusive discount coupon which adds in a flat 5% discount. Basically means you can get this camera at a price of 13,300 rupees only. This means go ahead, grab this camera right now. This is a limited time offer. Make sure you make the most use out of this thing. That being said, let's quickly jump on and take a look at the VIOFO A119 Mini Pro, the 4K STARVIS-2 HDR dashcam recently launched from VIOFO. So on top of the box, they have highlighted some features and it says 4K Ultra HD recording, Sony STARVIS-2 image sensors, multiple exposure HDR, built-in Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, voice control and notifications, advanced parking mode, and a built-in GPS logger. So the first thing in the box is an after-sales help card. So as you can see here, which gives you all the details regarding the WhatsApp number, the email support, the live chat number. Basically, VIOFO has the best service support currently available in India. So you can definitely take a look at this service card. And here is the mini camera, which I'm very excited about, the VIOFO A119 Mini Pro. And as the name suggests, this is a super small dash cam, about 1.8 inch wide and about close to 2.5 to 3 inches long. Super small, comes right within the palm of my hand, and very much similar, or should I say exactly similar, to the previous VIOFO A119 Mini 2. But this camera gets the specific branding A119 Mini Pro or M Pro. So form factor is similar to previous model. The button layout, the display size is very similar to the previous model. At the bottom you've got some ventilation holes. The lens module is itself movable up and down close to about 90 degrees. You get this large sticker module which is basically nearly more than 50% of the body size, and this also integrates the GPS logger as well. On top here is the Type-C port for power, and on the other side you get this reset slot. On the left side you get the micro SD card slot and a Type-C port for data transfer. So this is a single channel dashcam, no dual channel setup, but just in case you want a dual channel setup, considering the current discounted price of 13,300, you can grab two of these and get a dual 4K, dual STARVIS-2, dual HDR setup for your camera with dual CPL filters. All this coming in at a price of close to 26,000 rupees if you buy two of these models. And I think that's a really cool investment, because close to 25,000 you get a dual 4K, dual STARVIS-2 setup. So following this you have the user manual, which is kind of similar to all the other different user manuals VIOFO normally provides, and in this you get all the details regarding the camera. So this is definitely something which you should go through in detail before you actually start using the camera. Then you have the VIOFO quick start guide, gives you the installation diagram, the installation location, wiring diagram, and the rest of the stuff. Then you have a VIOFO dashcam protected sticker which you can like stick onto the windshield of your car to let others know that your car has a dash cam installed inside. Additionally, you also get two electrostatic stickers in the box, so that's also quite good. You get a wiring tool for easy installation of the wiring into the beading of the car. So you get a data transfer cable that is Type-C to Type-A, so you can basically connect your smartphone to the dashcam directly using this data cable and transfer videos directly to your smartphone without having the hassle of connecting it wirelessly. So this gives you the fastest speeds, I think close to about 20 to 30 Mbps per second. So this would be the fastest and the most ideal way to transfer videos from the dashcam to your smartphone. So you get a power cable which gets a L-shaped Type-C connector and a USB Type-A connector at the other end. And you have a mini 12-volt car charger which gets two dedicated USB ports. So it's a good thing that VIOFO has provided two ports. So one you can use for the dashcam, and you will still be left with another USB port for your various different accessories. You also get a spare 3M sticker in the box. So this is also a very thoughtful thing by VIOFO. And as a last thing in the box, you get a CPL filter, which very few manufacturers provide within the box. So this CPL filter is going to help you reduce the glares and remove the reflections of your dashboard. So very useful in terms of having the dashcam in direct sunlight, driving in direct sunlight. So having a dual channel setup will give you the goodness of a dual CPL filters as well. So I'm quite happy that VIOFO has included the CPL filter within the box and you don't have to like purchase this separately. So here are all the things that are given in the box: the service card, the dash camera, the user manual, the quick start guide, the data transfer cable, the wiring tool. You get a sticker, 2 electrostatic stickers, CPL filter, extra 3M sticker, 12-volt car charger, and a USB power cable. So this is probably one of the smallest and the most compact dash camera to give you a native 4K resolution and give you a STARVIS-2 IMX678. And VIOFO has always been known to provide some of the best video qualities out there, especially the HDR in their cameras is excellent and like beyond what you can even imagine. So consider buying this camera if you have a budget of close to 13,000 rupees with the current discount of close to 700 rupees by applying the coupon code Gizmobeep on the VIOFO website. You can use the link that's been given in the description of this video. So just go ahead, grab this camera right now. And for those who are looking to have a dual channel setup, as I said previously, you can buy 2 of these cameras and like put one on the front and one on the rear. So certain conditions, certain requirements, if you are purchasing 2 of them, that you need to note down is that you will need an additional memory card for the rear camera, or should I say the second camera, and you will also need an additional USB port to power up the second camera. So if you have these 2 things covered, you can definitely go ahead and grab 2 of these cameras and get a dual 4K dual STARVIS to set up at a price of close to 25 to 26,000 rupees. So no matter how you want to use this, as a front only or a dual setup with 2 cameras, the purchase links are given right down below in the description. Go ahead and grab it right now before the offer ends, because after that you will have to pay extra money, and like this will sell at close to 14,000 rupees. So I'll be bringing up a full review of the VIOFO A119 Mini Pro, within which I will cover all the details of this camera, including the video quality and the number plate readability as well. So if you don't want to miss that amazing review video that's going to be a follow-up to this, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button of Gizmobeep right now. Share this video with all your friends who are excited for the VIOFO A119 Mini Pro. See you in the next one.